What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tank, and today I will be making you a quesadilla of sorts. Yeah, it's a quesadilla. So what I'm going to show you what I'll be using in the process, this cooking process today, and of course it starts off with tortillas. I have some that Doritos dips, Cool Ranch jalapeno. I'm gonna put on the tortilla. Some cheese, some guacamole salsa, jalapenos, and about a couple weeks back I shredded up a pork loin, so we have shredded pork. So, but first what we're going to do is turn on the burner for the pan to warm up, and we're going to melt some butter in that. So, let's do that. Yeah, I know you can't see anything. Just give me a minute. First of all, if you haven't seen butter melt before, just, put it in a bowl and put it in the microwave, but have it covered. Then take it out after it dings. Okay. Alright, as the butter is melting, guys, we're going to we're going to move the camera to the mini try. So let's just do that quick. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round. Alright. Come on, mini try, work with me here. Alright. Alright, we got the butter. We're melting in the pan. Now let's get it a little round more in some other spots here instead of just right in that general corner. Oop, come on. Okay, good. Good. So now I'm going to just lift the pan here. Just kind of spread it out some more, just rotate it. Okay, that should be fine. Fine and dandy. We're moving it back to low because I bumped it higher. Or medium, I should say. So we're gonna do that. So, but now, as that's still warming up, we're going to prepare the tortilla before we put it in the butter. So what we're going to do is take the tortilla out. I should have done this beforehand. Why are these stupid things giving me such a damn hard time lately? It's really starting to piss me off here. Alright. Tortilla. The Doritos, ranch cover. So what we're going to do is just gonna take a spoon and just kind of dollop it on one side. Just kind of just spread it. Just like that. Okay, good. Actually now, we're just gonna take the thing off the burner, the pan off the burner. But so the butter just doesn't go away, So let's cover this back up. Now we're gonna grab some of the shredded pork. It's kind of a chunky shredded pork, but it is what it is. we're just gonna just place it on there. We need some more, kind of spread it out a little. Okay. Good. Good, 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 good. Goody goody gumdrops. Yeah. Okay, maybe one more little, there we go. Good. Your stuff is good. Now we're gonna add some shredded cheese. Get that nice and covered just like that. Good. And now at this stage we are going to add the guacamole salsa to it. Just kind of give it a little shake here, just like. You don't need to worry about that sound in the background. I'm doing some laundry. It's kind of going a little crazy down there, but that's okay. Okay, good. Put that aside. Now we're gonna put some jalapenos on there. You know, just some pickled jalapenos. The jalapenos can surprise you sometimes, guys. It can be very, very mild, or it'll surprise you and kick you in your boo-boo. Okay, good. So now that's covered. We're not done. Not done quite yet. Now I'm gonna grab some of this habanero chili hot sauce, El Yucateco style, and now we're gonna drizzle. Okay, good. Okay. Oop. Gotta like a little bit of heat if I'm putting jalapenos and habanero sauce together. So now we're backing things up. We are back to the skillet, and now I'm going to just pick this mixture up. Just set it in the wet butter. Grab some of that. Now we just have it kind of cooked through. That'll take a little bit here, so we're just going to turn the heat up a smidge more. Now we just need the cheese to melt and all that good jibber jabber. I'm just putting some stuff away, don't worry folks. Things are starting to feel warm. You guys are thinking, of course it's starting to feel warm. It's the tortillas in a skillet. So now I'm just starting to put stuff away. Don't worry about it. Well, looks like the tortilla is starting to rise a little. So what we're gonna do is just lift it, and just like that. Okay. The butter smells really good, you guys. So just letting it, the warmness of the top part of the tortilla is going to start letting that cheese melt a little bit by little, and plus getting the different flavors out of the, like, you know, the jalapenos, the cheese, the guacamole salsa. So just slowly pat it, just pat. Just let it do what it's gotta do. Oh yeah. And we're gonna attempt to flip. 1, 2, slip. And flip. Quesadilla, baby, yo. What's her name? What's her name? Say it louder. What's her name? What's her name? I got songs stuck in my head. And I'm gonna actually open it up a little bit. Oh, that's good. That's actually, I can't. That's good. That's great. Now, I'm going to do another quick little flip. Okay, good. Good. It smells awesome, you guys, so. Now, that's pretty much done. So we're just gonna shut it off and set her on a plate. So just give me a minute. All right, there we go. Out of the pan. Okay, so now to protect this pan, we got to move it, take it off the hot burner, and put it on a not hot burner. So now we're going to cut this beauty in half. Oh yeah. Okay, you guys, now we gotta give this bad boy a try. Woo! Yeah, Mini Try has been doing some work, so let's go to the table and have some lunch. Look at that. We got some jalapeno in there. We got some guacamole salsa. Definitely some hot sauce. And the smell, you guys, is glorious. So, nothing left to do but do it. Let's go. Oh, fuck, that's fire. I think it would have been a little bit, I would have added some more other things to it if I had the ingredients today, but so be it. I would have put some, like, if I had some Rotel, I would have put a little bit of that on this too. That would have been good. Damn, that's so good. The fat from the pork is kind of dripping out. See? That's okay. That flavor's still in there. Go out and try to make this. It's so good. And it's easy. If you have leftover pork or beef, or even chicken, get yourself a tortilla and do what you gotta do, man. It's delicious. Okay. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed Tank's Cooking with Tank. Now it's time for Tank's word of the day. You don't always got to be strong. You don't always have to be strong. You can scream, and sometimes a good cry helps to get all that stress and emotion off your shoulders, man. If you're just in that state of mind, just scream. Or give yourself a good cry. Honestly, guys, just because, you know, those guys out there that has that big old ego is like, I don't cry, I don't cry. I'm a man, I don't cry. You know what? You're the ones that are suffering the most because you're not letting shit out. And if you are, you're letting it out in the wrong way. Have a good day, night, evening, whenever you're watching this. Bye.